Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming there's an actual outage on your account and noting the hub's LED pattern, because that narrows troubleshooting. Once done, power cycle the hub by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in to clear transient faults. Make sure to photograph LEDs and any error messages. This helps support if you escalate. Also check coax and power connections for firm seating, since loose cables cause most early failures. You now access the hub's admin at 192, 168, 0, 1 or the Hub Manager app to inspect signal levels and WAN status, because those tell you if the issue is line-related. Once inside, run diagnostics and note downstream/upstream SNR and power. Low SNR or extreme power points to cabling or network faults. If diagnostics suggest corrupt firmware, perform the guided reboot or factory reset, but make sure you have Wi-Fi password and any custom settings backed up first. You finish by replacing suspect coax or connectors and rechecking hub diagnostics, because physical cable faults are common. Once done, verify internet by connecting a wired device. Wired success isolates Wi-Fi issues. If signal or power still falls outside acceptable ranges, schedule an engineer. Don't attempt internal repairs. Troubleshooting tip: if a factory reset is required, save current settings and your Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.